inside a Google Doc, and I'm ready to show you one of my favorite tools inside Google, where you can use speech recognition to record your answers for a document, plan a script out, or just respond to some interview questions. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm responding to some interview questions for Sarah from This Woman Can on my business journey, and it's a very conversational piece. So some of the best ways to get the text out is actually talk it out. And that is where the talk to type feature comes in, and I love it so much. So you can see the conversations that Sarah's asked me here are ones like, when did you decide to transition into your business and why? What are some of the biggest challenges I face today? What do I think the industry's changed for PR? So it is a really good opportunity for me to have a conversation, and being a publicist who likes to talk, it allows me to be able to say the words, get them out there, and then come back and edit them later. When you are using a tool like this, make sure that you understand that you're not going to focus too much on the screen. I know it's easy for me to say, I most probably will get distracted, but this is a foundation piece. It's not the be all and end all, and it's not criteria that it has to be absolutely perfect as it comes out. You'll see Google Think, it'll come up with some conversation pieces and get them things ready for you. So I'm going to click where I would like to start talking, which is right here. And then I go to the tools add-on up the top here, and I find the voice typing action. You can see there's a Control-Shift-S keyboard shortcut if you want to use it. I'm a bit of a mouse girl, so I like going and clicking on things. So I click the voice typing option here, and then the little beautiful microphone comes up here, and we're ready to click on it to speak. And that's as simple as it is. I click to speak, and then the words are going to come out. So let's get one question underway, and you can see how it all works. So first question I'm going to answer for Sarah is, when did you decide to transition to running your own business and why? I was pretty lucky in the start of my career that I fell into business in a lot of ways. I fell into a PR and marketing career that I loved, and that meant that I started in business very, very early on as a manager or as a consultant for other people. When I started my IVF journey to fall pregnant with my daughter, I made a decision that my corporate world career was not going to allow me to be the mum that I wanted to be. So that meant for me transitioning into my own business full-time, no longer as a consultant, but looking after my own brands. And that is where we started, and we launched the online magazine and parenting hub, Family Capers. Okay, guys, there you go. You can see it. There's some text that I've popped in there. There's going to be a little bit of editing. There's going to be a little different things that I need to get out, but the foundation is there for me to go back and be able to edit the copy for these questions. I'll continue on and go through and answer them all now so that we get all the answers through to Sarah, but here is a handy tool that makes media less scary and less hard for you. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon again on Ask Linda. Bye.